I have returned to the scene of the crime once again. I was biking down this way, came through here. Now that I'm looking at it, it is more of a downhill than I realized. I may have been going a little quicker than I thought. So I biked over this pipe, and in hindsight, there is a little trail over there. And if I were smarter, I would have just used the trail and skipped the pipe, but that is not the case. I was not smarter. So I biked across this pipe here, and I'm almost a little weary to walk over it because in an unrelated incident, I hurt my ankle, and so I don't want to slip off like I did yesterday. So I made it to the very end here, and I thought I was out of the woods. I was focusing a lot on getting across, and then when I got to around here, I mentally checked out and said, okay, I made it. But unfortunately, that was not the case. And I guess I probably fell off to the right like that, and I just ate dirt. I wonder if this is from me. There's a little indent here. I would probably say no, because I think any physical evidence of the crash has been washed away, at least on the ground. On my body, there's plenty of evidence all over my arms and my knee and my chest. But yeah, I just, finished healing from all the scrapes from the last crash and then go right back into it again. This one was a lot worse too. So maybe I need to take a break from biking for a little while.